want to look at another strategy to help us multiply. This strategy is called lattice multiplication. This will help us when we are multiplying large numbers. So with lattice multiplication, let's say we're going to work out 321 times 4. We start off by making 3 boxes because we have a 3-digit number. We only need 1 row of boxes because we are multiplying by a 1-digit number. So I'm going to take my 1-digit number, which is 4, and put it right there. And then I would take my 3-digit number and write each digit above the top. The next thing I have to do is I have to divide my boxes from corner to corner, just like this, corner to corner, corner to corner, corner to corner. And it's very important that you go corner to corner. The next step is to take the factor 4 and multiply it by 1. 4 times 1 makes 4. So I put a 0, 4. Then we would do 4 times 2. 4 times 2 is 8. So I would put 0, 8. Then we would do 4 times 3, which gives me 12. So I would put 1 and 2. The next thing is to add the numbers that are between the gray lines. So we're adding at a diagonal. Right now 4 is by itself, so we bring down the 4. Then we have an 8 and a 0. I'm going to add 8 plus 0, which gives me 8. Then I'm going to add 2 plus 0, which gives me 2. And then I have 1 by itself, so I bring down the 1. 321 times 4 would be 1,284. Let's look at another example with a larger number. So let's say we have 27 times 42. We are going to draw 2 columns because we have a 2-digit number, but this time we're going to have 2 rows because we have a 2-digit number. So I'm going to start by putting 2 and 7 and then 4 and 2. These represent my factors of 27 and 42. The next thing I have to do is divide my boxes from corner to corner. From corner to corner to corner, and then corner to corner. Now, what we're going to do is we start with 4 times 7. 4 times 7 makes 28, so I put 2 and 8. 4 times 2 makes 8, so 0 and 8. Then we do 2 times 7, which makes 14. And then 2 times 2, which makes 4. So again, we're going to add at a diagonal. Right now I have 4 by itself, so I bring down the 4. I'm going to add 8 plus 1 plus 4. So, if I think about this, 8 plus 4 makes 12. 12 plus 1 makes 13. I'm going to put the 3 on the bottom and bring the 1 up here. Now, I'm going to add 1 plus 2 plus 8 plus 0. I know that 8 plus 2 makes 10. 10 plus 1 makes 11. And then I'm going to add 1 plus 0, which makes 1. So 27 times 42 would be 1,134. Let's look at one more example. Let's say that we have 17 times 28. I'm going to start by making a square, and I'm going to divide my square up into 2 columns because I have a 2-digit factor. How many rows would I need? That's right, 2, because I have a 2-digit factor here. I would then lay my factors across the top, so I would put 1 and 7. So what numbers would I put on the side? That's correct, 2, and 8 to represent my other factor of 28. The next step is to divide your boxes from corner to corner, exactly. Okay, corner to corner to corner, and then corner to corner. The next step is to start multiplying. 2 times 7 makes 14. 2 times 1 makes 2. So 0, 2. On the next row, we're going to do 8 times 7. 8 times 7. Very good. 56. And then we're going to do 8 times 1. 0, 8. Very good. The next step is to add our numbers at a diagonal, meaning we're going to bring down the 6. Then we're going to do 4 plus 8 plus 5. I know that 4 plus 8 makes 12, and then if I add 5 to that, that would give me 17. I put the 7 on the bottom, I bring the 1 up here. That gives me 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 0. Well, 1 plus 1 makes 2, 2 plus 2 makes 4. This leaves me with 476. So 17 times 28 equals 476.